This is Skippy, who we adopted. His owner passed away. I have not touched him yet. I was told he was pretty much neglected since December, since the woman got sick. And who knows, before that, when I got him, he was a little plucking. He's very pretty. He's a green cheek conure. See his chest? Yeah. And this other little guy, Cockatiel, watch, he's not very friendly at all. So I don't know how I'm going to deal with this. I've had a gray before. Hi, baby. Hey, Skip. Hey, Whisker. Hi, Whisker. I read about a clicker training thing, so I'm a little nervous. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little nervous. I have not reached my hand in there yet. So we'll see. Okay. Come here, pretty bird. Come here. I'm happy to have them. I'm looking for a bigger cage because this cage is kind of small to me. He spilled his water. Okay, so we'll see. Just record a little step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Good birdie, Whisker. Come on. Come on. Good bird. Good bird. Yeah. You've got feathers all over the table. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Step up. It's okay. No, no. Step up.